We know that in Windows, if one application got crashed, it will not affect other applications. This is because each application has a process and they are separated by a process boundary. So when .NET came up, its designers really liked the features provided by the process boundary, providing isolation and security to the processes. So they want to include these features within the application. And they came up with a concept, application domain. So applications domains are code region within the application having a logical boundary. Each .NET application has at least 3 app domains, and a developer can create new app domains programmatically. Now we'll brief about the 3 app domains existing in the .NET application. They are system, shared, and default app domains. When the .NET application is getting created, CLR will create the system app domain, and it is the responsibility of system app domain to create the other 2 app domains, shared and default. Shared domain contains domain neutral assemblies, that is, the assemblies can be shared among other app domains. And the default app domain contains the application code assemblies. We are going to see a demo where we will show all these 3 app domains, and we will also learn a new command, dumpdomain, to dump the app domain information. Now let's go to a demo. I am opening a Win debugger and opening a dump, observe app domains. So the dump is attached to the application. Before applying dump domain, first I have to load another command, load by sosdll, because sosdll contain all the .NET debugging commands. So it is a preliminary step to load before doing anything on debugging a .NET application. SOS has been loaded. Now I am applying my command, dump domain. We wanted to know the information of all the domains. It's a pretty long result. Now we can see the system app domain, right? Second one is shared app domain. We can also see that shared app domain contain the domain neutral assembly mscorelib. This is what we discussed here. Shared app domain contain domain neutral assembly. Now we wanted to see the third app domain, which contain the application code assembly. Third one is domain 1, which contain the application code assemblies, right? So using this command, we are able to print all the app domains existing in the application, and we also proved the theory that a .NET application contain app domains, and they contain 3 app domains, and they are system, shared, and first default app domain. Thank you.